video?
Shake it, shake it.
Just hit the target.
I'm so nervous.
Pressure's on there first. Which one's yours? Yeah, what target are you calling?
I'm going to go left.
Left one. Left one. Don't forget the safety is off. Okay, so that's going to fire when you squeeze the trigger. Cheers everywhere! Okay, firing. So in your own time, just be careful to make sure your nose isn't against that and your eyes are nowhere near that. That's good. That looks good to me. Okay, I'm going to get out of the way so you can be filmed. So in your own time, carry on. Just squeeze the trigger.